common substrate. In anaerobic respiration of muscle, pyruvic acid is changed to lactic acid. Pyruvic acid changed to lactic acid. What is the significance of Krebs cycle? Synthesis of ATP by oxidative phosphorylation. ATP by oxidative photophosphorylation. Glycolysis is best defined as step-by-step combination of AMP and ADP with photophosphate molecules. Step-by-step combination of AMP and ADP. Wait. Glycolysis. Phosphate molecule to form ATP. AMP and ADP with phosphate molecules form ATP. AMP and ADP. Deconversion of a glycogen to glucose. Invertebrate liver is stimulated by invertebrate liver insulin deconversion of glycogen to glucose insulin enzyme for glycolysis are present in mitochondria. Glycolysis present in mitochondria. Synthesis of glycogen from sugar is in under glycolysis. Pyruvic acid is reduced to lactic acid. Under glycolysis, pyruvic acid anaerobically in muscles. Under glycolysis, pyruvic acid is reduced to lactic acid anaerobically. In glycolysis present synthesis of glycogen. This is glycogen from sugar in liver. Glycogen from sugar. The liver known as synthesis. Glycogenesis. Synthesis of glycogen from sugar. Glycogenesis. During complete breakdown of glucose to CO2. How many molecules of ATP? ATP products. 38. Glucose to CO2. How many molecules of ATP? 38. Krebs cycle involves Krebs cycle. Changes of pyruvic acid to release energy. change of pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid release energy. Change of pyruvic acid release energy. Krebs cycle Krebs cycle take place in mitochondria matrix. Mitochondrial matrix. Krebs cycle take place in mitochondrial matrix. Take place in mitochondrial matrix. K cycle take place in eukaryotic cell. Krebs cycle take place in mitochondria. Krebs cycle cytolytic isomerized to secondary alcohol isocitrate by the enzyme. In Krebs cycle, cytolytic isomerized to secondary alcohol is associated by the enzyme. Cytolytic isomerized to secondary alcohol. Aconitase. In which of the following respiration occurs through spiracles? Occurs. Glycolysis is the first phase. Oxide coenzyme. Body tissue obtain O2. Body tissue obtain O2 due to dissociation of oxyhemoglobin. Dissociation of oxyhemoglobin. Low O2 and high CO2. CO2. Which are the following is correct for aerobic respiration? CO2, H2 and energy. Aerobic respiration. CO2, H2O plus energy. What is the location of respiratory center which regulate respiration? Medulla oblongata. Which regulate respiration? Medulla oblongata. In aerobic respiration. Anaerobic.